This professional fishing tackle box kit contains everything you need to hit the water. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. It has 3 layers. This top shelf you can customize by moving these dividers or removing them altogether. It comes with stainless steel fish gripper and split ring pliers, realistic fishing lures. You got your standard kind and some exotics. Be careful. Plenty of hooks from size 3 to size 12. A hard case with lots of cool stuff. Weights, everything you need. The case is reinforced. It is very tough. This is gift ready. There's no assembly required. And again, with this kit, you are ready to hit the water and you will have everything you need.